If you're looking for a big tablet for watching content, playing games from time to time, studying, or even getting some light work done, you've probably come across two very similar models from the Blackview Mega 12 and the Mega 5. And honestly, on paper, they look almost identical. Same battery size, same screen size, and even a very similar design. But here's the important question. Is the Mega 12 really worth paying extra, or is the Mega 5 already good enough for most people? Because there are some differences you'll actually notice in daily use, and others you probably won't care about at all. So in this video, we're going to break down which one makes more sense depending on the kind of user you are. decision is actually pretty clear. If you want a more powerful tablet that's better for multitasking, casual gaming, and overall multimedia experience, the Blackview Mega 12 is definitely. But if you're trying to save some money and you just want a large, smooth tablet with solid battery life for everyday use, the Blackview Mega 5 still makes a lot of sense. The real question is whether you're actually going to take advantage of that extra power, because if not, the Mega 5 might already give you everything you need without spending.